May I also call in Mr. Darlito Persa and Mr. Noel Cirillo to give the certificate and the trophy to the third runner-up of our basketball tournament. Sa gitna na lang po kita mga sir.
Ay, papito naman yun. Ay, sabi. Nagbibidyo lang ako.
Sir, sa mga nag-warm up po, pagilid naman na kitang madali po. Ma-award din kitang madali. Thank you. Sir Noel, tabi. Ayan, let's give a round of applause to our third runner-up of our HRNAI basketball tournament, the DPWH 2nd District. Ayan, so mga magagayon pag madapang sabay karon na sa picture. May we also call in the PJMC Regional Office 5 to receive their trophy and certificate for being the second runner-up of our HRNAI basketball tournament. And smile. Ayan, once again, congratulations po sa